Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartHome. Today, we're diving into the world of smart home integration by showing you how to connect your Hisense TV to Alexa. Whether you're looking to streamline your entertainment experience or simply enjoy the convenience of voice commands, this tutorial will guide you through the setup process step by step. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials like this one. Step: check compatibility. First things first, ensure your Hisense TV model supports Alexa integration. Most modern Hisense TVs come with built-in Alexa compatibility, but it's always good to double-check in your TV settings or user manual. Step: set up your Hisense TV. Now, let's get started with the setup. Make sure your Hisense TV is connected to the internet and powered on. Navigate to the settings menu using your remote control. Step: enable Alexa skill on TV. Inside the settings menu, look for the Alexa or voice control settings. Here, you'll find an option to enable Alexa. Follow the on-screen prompts to link your TV to your Amazon account. Step: set up Alexa device. Next, make sure your Alexa-enabled device, like an Echo or Alexa app on your smartphone, is set up and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Hisense TV. Step 5. Discover devices. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap on the device's icon at the bottom right corner, then select the icon to add a new device. Choose TV and select Hisense from the list of brands. Step: link Alexa to Hisense TV. Follow the instructions to link Alexa to your Hisense TV. This may involve signing in to your Hisense account and granting permissions for Alexa to control your TV. Step 7. Test Alexa commands. Once linked, you can start using Alexa voice commands to control your Hisense TV. Try commands like, "Alexa, turn on the TV," or "Alexa, switch to HDMI" to see if everything is working correctly. Conclusion. And there you have it. Connecting your Hisense TV to Alexa is a straightforward process that enhances your entertainment setup with voice control capabilities. Enjoy hands-free convenience and a seamless viewing experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.